Boom, there we are again. Yamaha Grizzly 2007 oil change. It's a Raptor 50cc.
This is too low.
Gotta really low to the ground. So you gotta get your hand in there. Get that plug out. Cranked it up, let it get a little bit warm. Then we'll get the plug out. There it goes. There's a little drain plug, 17mm socket. We're gonna pull this dipstick out up here, don't lose the O-ring on this thing here.
Maya? No, baby.
Now I've got an oil spill.
And no pulling that.
Messing with stuff, girly. That thing holds about 3/4 of a quart.
See how it tells you right here?
What does it say?
It says A00C
Show everybody on the camera. Put the camera up there and show. There's the dipstick. So you got this add mark, then you got your full mark. It's pretty long ways down in there. The oil's kind of black. We haven't changed it since last spring. At least change it once a year. Been riding it off and on through the winter. When it had a warm enough day, you can get out and enjoy it. Got these new AT tires off of eBay. Pretty good deal if you like some good decent tread instead of those little knobbers that come on these things. These are the AT 16x8-7s. Hey!
Don't do that.
Come on, Maya, you're trying to blow my stuff up here. Yeah, well, it's got oil change. You can't crank it up while this oil's out.
It'll blow the whole thing up.
Let's cut the video off. Just push the top button. Bring that whole video up. This is total destruction. We're going to start a whole new one. We'll shut that off. Just the top one's got it on and off. You can start another one.